to link your WhatsApp to your computer, or how to open your WhatsApp on your computer. My name is EKB. Let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to, on Google, you have to search for web.whatsapp.com. web.whatsapp.com. So when you open it, you are going to see something like this. The moment you see something like this, you go onto your phone, you open your WhatsApp, then you go to your settings. So this is my WhatsApp. You go to my settings, then you look for linked devices. So then you tap on link a device. Now it will give you the option to scan a QR code. Looking here on our WhatsApp web, there is a QR code we can scan. So let's scan the QR code. Let's scan the QR code here. The moment I scan the QR code, now it has started connecting. It is loading my chat onto the computer. So now they've asked for device name. Creme de la creme. See. So this is basically how to link your WhatsApp to your computer. So you can receive any message here on your phone. You can also download the app, the WhatsApp app. This is WhatsApp web. You can download the WhatsApp app itself, and you also follow the same procedure and do it. But the difference is, for WhatsApp web, you can't receive calls and like video calls or audio calls or what. But on the app, the WhatsApp app, you can receive calls and video calls and all that stuff. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do want to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I need your subscriptions. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.